Okay, YouTube. Well, I bought an RV. This is my first Class A motorhome. This is a 1998 Fleetwood American Dream. It has the 8.3 Cummins in it. Allison transmission. Diesel pusher. Has one slide. Has awning there. Awning over the windows. Overall, it's in really nice shape. So here's the slide on this side. Has a 7500 quiet diesel Onan generator. So this video you guys are going to be seeing is after all the work that I've done to it has been completed. So walking in, got both the seats, couches, carpet. So what I've done to this thing, let me turn on some lights. So what I've done to this thing is I recarpeted it, I resealed the roof, I added a safe, updated the TVs to new smart TVs. I used to have an old tube TV down there, which you might see in some of the videos coming up. Some of the videos coming up are going to be of me replacing the carpet and doing the roof and some of the work to this thing. It has Corian countertops. Convection microwave oven, normal oven, side-by-side fridge here, washer dryer combo, has a cedar closet, pretty nice closet, full bathroom, full shower, toilet separate from everything else, which I really like. And then the master bedroom, or the only bedroom really. But I added that television as well. It had an old tube TV up in that corner. So anyways, that's kind of a tour of the new RV that I bought. There will be more videos of it, like I said. So anyways, I guess there you guys go.